Hi, I'm freelancer. I'm a digital marketer and Facebook ads campaign expert. I have 3 years experience ads campaign. I'm successful work my country Facebook ads campaign. Advertising for your any business, whether offline or online, hotel and private hospital, shopping mall or store, app and book, website and page, like, message, sales increase, etc. My services: brand awareness, reach, engage traffic, app install, page like and follow, video view, lead generation, messaging, conversion, store traffic, catalog sale, etc. My advanced services: A/B test, keyword research, audience research, Facebook ad library research, special ad category, dynamic creative ad, pixel setup, retargeting, ads campaign budget analyze, CPC, CTR, CPA, etc. I can guarantee sale increase. If you like to my gig and service, please inbox. Oh, special note: I will not add campaign, political issues and election, government illegal product and Bitcoin, etc. Goodbye.